Salam, this is Unity, and I'm here with another Queen's order. I'm loving these videos because I could get a video out and I could do like 4 and 5 videos in a day and just upload them randomly. But I am going to do a Black Business Spotlight, and I am going to do a Unity earring of the week because I made some dope designs, and I know y'all going to be excited about seeing those. Okay, so this order is going to Indiana. Okay, so let me show y'all these. All right, this pair, this is one of my best sellers, and this pair is called, I'm gonna put it across the screen. It's Nazuri Kajacha earrings, African Village. Okay, so this is one of my best sellers. This is one of the designs that China stole and mass produced. You'll find them in hair supply store, beauty supply stores, flea markets and stuff like that. So this is one that they stole from me, AliExpress and all that, which a lot of that stuff is getting taken down, and China's going through a lot right now for messing with the goddess earrings. These are so fun to make, and if y'all haven't checked out the hut video, I have a free how to make a hut video. Y'all check that video out. These was made a little more special. I put more glitter and all that on it for a special person. These are so fun to make. My signature thing is red doors. I love creating huts with red doors. She got a basket and all that. So that's those for African Village. The next pair, these are called Evolution Butterflies. And I have 2 different designs like this, 2 different shapes. You could get it with the butterfly, you could get it with the heart. And she chose the butterfly. And these always are a joy to make. And I did something a little different on the back. I just went in on the back on them, and they came out lovely. But now on, I'm gonna do all of them like this on the back. And then I got a little seed bead here, and 2 little, this really a seed. And then this some more seed beads. They call them seed beads, but this is a seed bead. This is a bead that was made out of a seed. So these are going to Indiana, and they will, the queen will love them. And I also got another special gift that I'm sending with them, but I don't want to show them. I want her to be surprised, you know. So hopefully she done receive these by the time this video come out, but I'm not going to show her gift. All right, so if y'all like these, listed on boabwart.com. These are duplicated. I do remake these. Each one will be uniquely made, handmade. Thank y'all for supporting. Check out the description box if you want to donate to this channel, if you want to donate to the pet. Don't throw litter on the ground. Pick up litter in your communities. And I'll see y'all in my next Queen's Order video. Salam, salam.